Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what's out there? In 1977, we sent Voyager 2, a tiny ship, into the vast cosmic ocean. Its mission? To journey farther than any human, carrying a golden record, our message in a bottle. Voyager 2 is our silent ambassador, carrying the story of humanity into the galaxy. Imagine the ultimate road trip, Voyager 2's grand tour of the solar system. Its first stop Jupiter, 1979. It revealed swirling storms, the Great Red Spot, new moons, and even a faint ring system. Next, Saturn, in 1981. Voyager 2 gave us breathtaking views of Saturn's rings, thousands of icy ringlets, and studied mysterious moons like Titan. Each new image was a postcard home, revealing the unique personality of each world. Then Voyager 2 became the only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune. At Uranus, it discovered new moons, rings, and a bizarre tilted magnetic field. At Neptune, it found the fastest winds in the solar system and geysers erupting from Triton's surface. Worlds once faint dots became real, dynamic places. In 2018, Voyager 2 crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. It became only the second human-made object to enter the space between stars. Now, it sails the cosmic ocean itself, directly sampling the space between star systems. Voyager 2's journey has rewritten our textbooks and expanded our sense of home. It's our explorer at the edge of the unknown. Voyager 2 is billions of miles away, so how do we know what it finds? It sends transmissions radio waves like a long-distance phone call, using its large dish antenna. The transmitter is just 23 watts, less than a refrigerator light bulb, yet its faint signal travels across the solar system. By the time it reaches Earth, it's billions of times weaker than a watch battery. NASA's Deep Space Network, giant antennas in California, Spain, and Australia, listens for these whispers. A signal from Voyager 2 takes over 22 hours to reach us. Every bit of data, every picture, arrives with a massive delay, requiring patience and precision. Without these transmissions, Voyager 2 would be a lost piece of metal. Each faint signal is a precious piece of the puzzle, helping us understand our place in the cosmos. These are our only connection to our most distant explorer. For nearly 50 years, Earth and Voyager 2 exchanged data across the solar system. But in early 2025, as its power faded, the team prepared for a final transmission. The last signal arrived, faint, but not what anyone expected. Instead of routine data, it was a complex, structured pattern, mathematical, intentional, and unlike anything Voyager 2 had sent before. At first, engineers thought it was a malfunction, but the pattern repeated in a clear, non-random sequence. It wasn't noise or error. It looked like a message. The control room fell silent. Was this a final puzzle, or something more? The data contained a sequence of prime numbers, followed by a complex waveform that resembled a visual pattern. As Voyager 2's last breath reached Earth, it left us with a profound question. Who or what was the author? The mysterious signal set off a global effort to decode it. Prime numbers suggested intelligence. But the real breakthrough came when a young astrophysicist realized the pattern was a set of instructions, a key. The team turned to the golden record, long thought to be a one-way message. Using the key, they unlocked a hidden layer, a star map, but not of our sky. A map showing the way to us, from somewhere else. Alongside it was a diagram of a novel element, unknown to our science. The message wasn't from us to them, it was a response, an invitation hidden within our own probe. Sometime during its journey, Voyager 2 had been intercepted. An unknown intelligence had found our messenger, understood its purpose, and added their own message for us to find. They used Voyager's systems to transmit the key just before its power failed. We thought we were shouting into the void, but someone had been listening and gently whispered back, The universe had answered. Voyager 2's final message changed everything. We finally had an answer. We are not alone. It wasn't a spaceship landing, but a quiet acknowledgement from a cosmic neighbor. Voyager 2's legacy is now one of contact, our first successful ambassador. The discovery ignited a new golden age of exploration, as scientists turned their telescopes to the star system in the message. Voyager 2 reminds us, the greatest discoveries are often the ones we never expected. We must keep exploring, keep listening, and keep reaching out. The universe is full of surprises, and the only way to find them is to keep looking. Voyager 2 drifts on, silent but legendary, a symbol of our first handshake with the cosmos. The conversation has just begun.